Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open up a new canvas. This will work on any size, so it doesn't matter what you're using. Hit the wrench on the left-hand side, and then Canvas. Scroll down and find Reference. Toggle on. Now this is going to be your reference box. You're going to go to Image and Image Import. Find your image, and there it is. Now I'm going to drag this box to the left-hand corner, and you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, whatever you prefer. The other thing we can do is zoom in and we can zoom out. Very exciting stuff. But now here's the trick. We're going to go to Color Picker and just pick up a color that's in the reference photo. I'll show you. There you go. Let's pick another color. How easy is that? Okay, I'm going to show you a second way to import a reference photo. So we're going to close that out. And you're going to start by going to your wrench tool on the left-hand side, going to Add, Insert Photo. Pick your photo. Ta-da! There it is. Now let's say maybe you want to do some sketching or some tracing for practice. This is a great way to do this. So what you would do is lower the opacity, and then you would add a new layer on top. Pick out a pencil or whatever you're comfortable with for sketching or tracing. I'm going to use peppermint. And then on the new layer, you would just sketch. So I think this is a great alternative and different methods for creating. I hope this helps.